If you're looking to touch up your roots with Rootflage and aren't sure how to do it around your face and how to keep it mess-free, watch this tutorial and I will explain. The lid on the bottle pulls up. Don't twist it off or else the kabuki brush will screw off and powder may fall everywhere. This is a sleeve protector that goes up and down over the brush. This is to help control the powder. When it's slid up, it's going to tighten the hole. When it's slid down, it's going to give you full flow. Next, when you're ready to apply, you're going to want to start back on your head. I don't have any gray roots, but I'm going to be showing you with our dark copper red because I wanted to find a rich pigmented color that you could see. You're going to want to pull your hair flat, exposing as many of your roots as you can. And you're going to want to just start dabbing and blending and work towards your face. As you can see, it's applying. Now, when you get close to your face, you're going to want to pull this sleeve up over the brush to tighten it and give you that control. You're going to want to pull away from your face, pull your hair back and flat. And instead of that tapping motion, instead you'll want to just take the brush and push back. And that will keep the powder from flying in your face. Can you see that? Same thing goes for around this part of your hair. Mess-free, simple and easy. Now, if you want, you can also unscrew the kabuki brush carefully by twisting counterclockwise. Your Rootflage comes with a little detail brush. You can dip this brush into the powder and apply it around your face or even onto your eyebrows. Set your color with hairspray. That way, if you put glasses on your head or you touch your hair, it's not going to transfer onto your hands. Thanks for watching.